Hello, welcome to our presentation. This is the financial analysis of Inditex. The first section is its activity, products, and market operating. Activity. Inditex is a Spanish company based in Arteixo, Galicia, Spain. It is the biggest fast fashion group globally and operates in close to 6,000 stores based in 5 continents. As stated on the financial records, our main activity consists of offering our customers an inspiring, high quality, and responsibly produced fashion proposal. Inditex has 7 products, the first one and the main one being Zara, which offers trendy and affordable fashion. Another one which they have is Zara Home, which offers affordable furniture and home decor. They also have Oysho, which offers sports and leisure clothing. They then have Massimo Dutti for a more sophisticated and classic style. They have Bershka and Pull&Bear, which both offer trendy and affordable fashion targeted at younger audiences. And then they have Stradivarius, which is trendy fast fashion targeted at women. For the markets, Inditex has a very, very large market presence globally. It sells to 200 markets through its online platforms and over 90 markets through its close to 6,000 stores.
First, we're going to talk about the balance sheet, start with non-current assets. Inditex non-current assets total 16.7 million, or 51% of its assets. And we're going to highlight property, plant, and equipment, which is the highest non-current asset, that's 8.3 billion. That's nearly 50% of non-current assets, reflecting investment in stores and distribution centers worldwide. And we're going to move on to current assets that amount to 16 billion, or 49% of total assets. And here we're going to highlight cash and cash equivalents at 7 billion, which is high liquidity that enables rapid responses to market trends. Now we're going to move on to equity. The Inditex equity stands at 18.7 million, about 57% of total funding, indicating financial stability and low reliance on debt. Here we're going to highlight equity attributable to the parent, that's 18.6 billion. Centralized ownership allows Inditex to maintain a consistent global strategy, enhancing brand recognition across markets. Now we're going to move on to liabilities, start with non-current liabilities. That total to 5.1 million, or 60% of total financing. And here we're going to highlight non-current lease liabilities, which add up to 4.1 million. These represent long-term lease obligations for stores, providing location flexibility. And to conclude, we're going to go into current liabilities. There are 8.9 million. That's around 27% of total liabilities and equity. And here we're going to highlight trade and other payables. That's 7.1 million. That reflect amount owed to suppliers, typical for a retailer of Inditex side. As a global fashion retailer, the Inditex group balance sheet structure aligns well with the activities of the group. Inditex has a high level of current assets due to the need of maintaining extensive inventories for rapid sales and turnover in its numerous brands and stores worldwide. High liquidity levels offer Inditex flexibility for quick responses to market shifts, essentials in fast fashion, where the pace and ability to respond quickly are competitive advantages. Relating to this topic, we can highlight note 3.2b. This note is key to understanding the valuation and management of PPE, a significant asset category on the balance sheet. It explains how assets are measured and how useful lives affect depreciation, impacting asset value over time. It distinguishes capital expenditures from maintaining costs, ensuring transparency in asset management. Additionally, annual reviews of useful items reflect how changes in estimates are accounted for, affecting future asset valuations.
Next, we're going to discuss the income statement of Inditex, showing the revenues and expenses. The net sales were 35,947 million, which reflects the value of Inditex's total sales and revenue for the period. The most important expenses were the operating expenses at 10,853 million. These expenses include the costs necessary for their daily business operations, such as selling, administrative, and general expenses. Some other important expenses included the amortization and depreciation, which costed 3,041 million, and the income tax at 1,475 million. Looking at the overall income statement, the gross profit was 20,762. This is calculated by subtracting the cost of sales from the net sales, indicating that in this fiscal year they have made a profit overall. The most relevant note found was note 11, which is the segment reporting of Inditex, showing the sales and revenue which different brands provided. This showed that Zara and Zara Home contribute the most at 72.91% of Inditex's net profit, and the second largest brand being Bershka.